Choose the correct sentence. A, she don't like to read. B, she doesn't like to read. C, she doesn't like to read. Synonym of quick is A, fast, B, lazy, C, long. The clock is hanging dash the wall. A, on, B, in, C, at. Antonym of victory is A, win, B, glory, C, defeat. Pull someone's leg means A, help them, B, tease them, C, kick them. I dashed a message an hour ago. A, send, B, sent, C, sending. Choose the correct article. I saw a dash eagle in the sky. A, B, in, C, the. Synonym of tired. A, energetic, B, sleepy, C, happy. We waited dash the rain to stop. A, for, B, to, C, until. Antonym of safe is A, secure, B, dangerous, C, confident. Hit the books means A, start studying, B, break your books, C, throw your books. They dash finish their work. A, has, B, have, C, is. Synonym of clean. A, dirty, B, neat, C, rude. Antonym of kind. A, rude, B, soft, C, quiet. I am fond dash music. A, in, B, with, C, of. He dash in the park every morning. A walks, B walk, C walking.
Burn the midnight oil means A. Sleep late. B. Study, work late. C. Burn candles. The bag is dash the table. A. At. B. Over. C. Under. Antonym of strong. A. Brave. B. Powerful. C. Weak. Synonym of happy. A. Cheerful. B. Sad. C. Calm. We haven't met dash last year. A. For. B. Since. C. From.
On cloud nine means A. Very angry, B. Very happy, C. Very tired. Choose the correct sentence. A. He don't study hard. B. He doesn't studies hard. C. He doesn't study hard. I was born dash May 5th. A in, B at, C on. Endonym of easy. A soft, B hard, C light. Synonym of cold. A hot, B freezing, C boiling. She is married dash a lawyer. A to, B with, C for. Break the ice means A. Be awkward, B. Start conversation, C. End relationship. They dash playing cricket now. A is, B are, C were. Synonym of job. A play, B work, C rest. Anonym of alive. A, sick. B, dead. C, weak. I'm good dash drawing. A in, B with, C at. Cut corners means A, do something thoroughly. B, do something cheaply / quickly. C, turn sharply. He dashed to the gym daily. A goes, B go, C going. Choose the correct spelling. A, occasion. B, occasion. C, occasion. The lights went off dash the storm. A, due to. B, because. C, so. Synonym of friend. A, stranger. B, enemy. C, pal. Antonym of bright. A, dark. B, light. C, shine. I was surprised dash the result. A, at. B, of. C, for. Cost an arm and a leg means A, be painful. B, be very expensive. C, be affordable. They dash gone to school. A, have. B, has. C, is. Synonym of sad. A, unhappy. B, excited. C, angry. Anonym of clean. A, dirty. B, neat. C, shiny. He apologized dash being late. A, for. B, to. C, on. Choose the correct sentence. A, they's gone. B, they've gone. C, they going. Kick the bucket means A. Go to bed. B. Die. C. Quit. Synonym of strong. A. Weak. B. Fit. C. Powerful. We waited dash the train. A. For. B. Since. C. By. Anonym of sharp. A. Blunt. B. Pointed. C. Bright. Bite the bullet means A. Avoid a task. B. Face something bravely. C. Fight someone.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments.